Today we are going to have a very cool topic. Usually those kind of sessions will start with, let me show you how to expand your social reach or how to get more interactions with business owners. This is not what I'm going to show you today. I am not a big believer of social reach or leads and all this BS. I believe in money going to the bank account. That's the only successful formula that I found until today. Money going out of the account for expenses, money coming in as deals. And today we are going to talk about how to bring more deals using the LinkedIn network. Let's start with what not to do. The majority of the people that I am getting messages from will start the interaction with chasing me and trying to add me to the network. And when I find it as a fit, for marketing purposes, for research purposes, maybe I do want to connect with them. But when I am doing it, they immediately pitch with a deal. As you can see here, this is an example. Someone just connected with my network, and immediately, the moment that I got added to his network, is hitting me with a deal. Also here, and also here, and also here. And those are just 4 examples from hundreds of messages. This is also why I'm not even connecting to my socials, because it's full with crap. This is the wrong way to go about it. And I also hide the people names because I don't want them to be humiliated or to feel bad. But those are some of those cases. The right way to go about it is to think about it like building relationships in a real life scenario. When you're going and trying to pitch an offer to a business owner, you are not stepping to his office in the first day and saying, dude, give me your checkbook. I have 20 developers. I charge $20 per hour. It doesn't work. People don't function like that. So if it's not working like that in real life, why do you think it will work on social? Now, in real life interaction, you're using 5 senses. All your senses are into the conversation and you get to feel the conversation. It's a feeling. The engine that's saying yes or no to a business offer, most of it will be based on emotions. Your chemistry with the person, the smell, the visuals, everything about this interaction will take you from yes to no and so on. On social, you have only the visual, you only see. You do not hear, you do not smell, you do not touch, you're missing the oxytocin, the serotonin, you're missing lots of different hormones that's taking place in the deal. Now, the social part, because you don't have so many senses, you cannot act fast. You need to take your time and form the relationship. The way that I see social, it's a way for me to connect with the other side and do it slowly. And as I connect, to start and ask more questions. Just as an example, if I would target Jim, and Jim works at a specific company, I will try to start, of course, Jim and another 500 or 5,000 different people will be on my target list, right? Not one. And then whenever one of them is posting something, I will start with giving some likes, just a like. And after a few weeks, send one comment. And after a few weeks, few comments. So they feel the relationship is growing. And then maybe I will start asking him some questions about his business, just to see if my product is a good fit for his business and to see if I can really help him. Now, once you're asking questions, the other side is connecting with you. Maybe those questions can be done over LinkedIn, but maybe you can also arrange a one-on-one conversation. Now, while you do it, Do not use third-party helpers. You cannot use this, the salesperson is supposed to be the person who is doing all this interaction. There are no shortcuts because this is a relationship. And once you get to the questions part, you start to get more trust on the other side. And when you have all the knowledge, the questions, the answers, the interaction, at that point you can pitch an offer. But that's already 6 months into the relationship. I know 6 months, it's long time. But guess what? The way that people are doing it today is not successful at all. And the only people that respond is the low-hanging fruits. The people that actually are trying to find a solution while you're sending them this post. But those are not the kind of people that you need to concentrate about. You need to concentrate on people that need your solution, and that's the mass. Just connect with the mass in a regular way, the same way that you want people to connect with you. There were endless cases that I connected with people that posted message like that, and I told them, I'm not going to have any business with you, but I just need you to answer seriously. Give me a good answer. What are the statistics? How many people really respond to you? And the numbers are almost nothing. 2%, 1%, 0.5%, very, very small numbers. So why would you invest so much time connecting with people and then to piece it out? Why? Instead of trying to nurture the relationships and actually meet other business owners and connect with them and have meaningful conversations that will benefit both of you. Okay? So this is what I wanted to talk about today. I wanted to give you a nice gift for the end of the year. I did those type of activities with my business consulting clients, and we got very, very good results. So if you will run this type of nurturing process across 21, which is the following year, you can expect mid-21, which means 6 months later, to have about 15-20% more deals just from social interactions. Okay, those are the numbers that I'm getting with my clients, and I'm sure that you can do it yourself and get the same results. Okay, thank you very much for watching this session. If you liked it or you think it can give you some value, thumbs up is always appreciated. If you have any comments, questions, down in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching this session. We'll see you in the next one.